Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best square pillowcase is probably one of the most versatile and essential home decor items you can add to your living space, instantly transforming the look and feel of any room with minimal effort and cost. Whether you're aiming for a cozy, bohemian vibe, a sleek and modern aesthetic, or a pop of vibrant color to liven up a neutral palette, the right pillowcase can be the key element that ties your entire design together, offering both comfort and style. Number 5. NTBAY King Pillow Shams, Brushed Microfiber. Introducing our king-sized pillow shams, designed for unparalleled softness and comfort. They are crafted from premium brushed microfiber for a luxurious feel. Enjoy a breathable and cozy sleep experience with these solid color shams. They are resistant to stains and wrinkles, ensuring they look great for a long time. These pillow shams feature a beautiful Oxford style with a decorative flange, adding an elegant touch to any bedroom. Available in various colors to match your decor. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These ultra-soft pillow shams are ideal for any occasion, including holidays like Christmas and Valentine's Day. Maintaining these shams is simple. Just machine wash them in cold water on a gentle cycle and tumble dry on low for easy upkeep. Each package contains 2 king-sized pillow shams measuring 20 by 36 inches. Please note that pillow inserts are not included. What we like? Experience unparalleled softness and comfort with this premium brushed microfiber. These pillow shams are breathable, stain, and wrinkle resistant, and not easy to fade. If you're looking for a cozy and low-maintenance addition to your bedroom that offers a luxurious feel, you should consider this. What people say. These are envelope style and fit perfectly. Even if they shrink a bit, there is room. The fabric looks so much more expensive and the brown color is a true dark brown. These pillowcases are bright, colorful, and make my bedding pop. The quality is good and they held up well to a first wash. No wrinkles either. Number 4. Thmyo 4-pack 18 by 18 cotton DIY pillow covers. Experience ultimate comfort with these pillow covers, crafted from 100% soft cotton. They provide a cozy feel for any space. Unleash your creativity. These blank pillow covers are perfect for your DIY sublimation projects. Make them uniquely yours. Each cover measures 18 by 18 inches, offering a perfect fit for your pillows. This pack includes 4 covers to enhance multiple spaces. Keeping them fresh is simple with machine washability in cold water. They are designed for lasting comfort and softness. Featuring a discreet zipper, these covers are easy to remove and clean. The uniform color adds a touch of grace to your decor. Perfect for any room, from the living room to the bedroom, sofa, or even your car. They add a simple yet fashionable touch to any seating area. What we like? Unleash your creativity with these 100% cotton pillow covers, perfect for sublimation or DIY projects. They are soft, comfortable, and durable, with a convenient zipper closure. If you love personalizing your home decor or are looking for a unique gift idea, you should consider these. What people say. They've hold their color and are made well. They are a snug fit on the pillows I use, and the zippers have held up well. I like how the zipper is covered in the middle on the back. The cotton is soft while still having a bit of a crisp cool feeling that I love in cotton, and it feels durable. The zippers do go across the middle of the pillow and not at the bottom sides. They were easy to put on since the zipper goes across the entire length of the case. The zipper pulls are metal and feel durable, and they zip and unzip very smoothly. They are also hidden behind a flap of fabric. Number 3. JUSPURBET Black Velvet Throw Pillow Covers Set of 2. Introducing our set of 2 decorative pillow covers, designed to add a touch of elegance to any room. These are crafted from soft velvet for ultimate comfort. Each cover measures 24 by 24 inches, perfect for your couch or bed. They are made from high-quality velvet on both sides and feature surged seams for durability. Enjoy a clean look with the invisible zipper closure, making insertion and washing a breeze. They are designed for easy care, whether by hand or machine. These solid color covers effortlessly blend with your existing decor, bringing a classical and luxurious feel to your living room, bedroom, or office. To keep them looking their best, gently hand wash or machine wash on a delicate cycle with cold water. A mid-heat iron setting will help maintain the fabric's beauty. What we like? Add a touch of classical luxury to your home with these velvet pillow covers. Made from plush velvet on both sides and featuring an invisible zipper for a seamless look, they bring an elegant vibe to any room. If you desire a sophisticated and opulent feel for your living space, you should consider these. What people say. The color is luxurious, and the material is soft to the touch and of excellent quality. True to size and mustard color. Soft and has invisible zipper. Beautiful vibrant color cover. Soft fabric. The dimensions are correct. Number 2. decorUhome Chenille Soft Cozy Throw Pillow Covers. Experience the ultimate softness with our premium chenille pillow covers. They are crafted from high-quality, skin-friendly material that feels incredibly gentle to the touch. Add a touch of modern farmhouse style to your decor. The contrasting linen stitching around the edges provides a unique design element that enhances any room. Enjoy a clean and elegant look with our hidden zipper closure. It's designed for smooth operation and blends seamlessly with the cover for a sophisticated finish. These versatile covers are perfect for upgrading your couch, sofa, or bed. They bring a fresh look and a relaxing feel to your bedroom, office, or outdoor spaces. Keeping them fresh is simple. They are machine washable on a gentle cycle and can be tumble dried on low heat for effortless care. What we like? Upgrade your couch with these luxurious chenille pillow covers, featuring a unique stitched edge for added character. They are super soft, skin-friendly, and designed to add a modern farmhouse or boho touch to your decor. If you're seeking a blend of comfort and stylish design for your living room or bedroom, you should consider these. What people say. The pillow covers are well made with nice attention to detail, including the beige trim, hidden zipper, and clean stitching. The depth of color and quality are better than expected. I like that the zippered opening is not in the seam, but on the backside, which allows for easier insertion of pillow. The fabric and texture is very soft to the touch. I love the hemstitch edging. The spring chenille pillow covers are well made and true to the color shown online. The border is a shade darker beige, which really adds to the quality look. The fabric is soft and there is a hidden zipper. The zipper is located on the back of the pillow, allowing for easy placement of the filling. Number 1. decorUhome Cozy Textured Throw Pillow Covers Set of 2. Experience unparalleled softness with our plush faux fur and fluffy velvet pillow covers. They add a touch of cozy, natural decor to any seating area or bed. Crafted from thick, trendy materials with reinforced stitching, these covers are built to last. They are sturdy enough to handle daily use by both children and pets. Designed with an invisible zipper closure, these covers offer a seamless and elegant look. They also make inserting and replacing pillow forms a breeze. Each package includes 2 pillow covers, measuring 18 by 18 inches. Please note that pillow inserts are not included with your purchase. Maintaining these covers is effortless. Simply machine wash them in cold water on a gentle cycle, and tumble dry on low heat. Avoid bleach and ironing. What we like? Indulge in the ultimate cozy comfort with these faux wool pillow covers, boasting a plush texture and a soft velvet reverse. They are thick, sturdy, and designed to add a natural, cozy decor element to your home. If you're looking for an extra layer of warmth and a touch of nature-inspired luxury for your sofa or bed, you should consider these. What people say. The fabric feels soft and plush, almost like a cozy wool blend, and the neutral cream color goes with pretty much everything. The covers fit standard 18 by 18 inch pillows nicely, and the square shape looks neat and full once you put the pillow inside. I like that they are easy to slip on and off with the hidden zipper, which makes washing them simple. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.